man.
Needed that, right, Beanie?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Hi, it's Dr. Cassie Stringer here. I'm here with Beanie, our awesome employee. We're gonna get her adjusted today. We're not gonna do her upper and mid back. We're gonna concentrate on her low back and her neck today. So Beanie, if you wanna go ahead and lay face up for me. We're gonna check Beanie's neck. Beanie's had a ton of tightness. So we're checking the neck and the low back today. Oh yeah. Right side to side. It won't mess up your makeup.
Oh man.
Needed that, right, Beanie?
Yeah.
Big time.
Oh.
I'm gonna have you just sit up. Okay, I'm just gonna pull your back just a little bit. Okay. Put your hands like this. Actually feels pretty good. Compared to your neck. Okay, lay with your left side up.
Okay, left side up.
Yep. Your other side.
Oh,
Good.
yay.
Beanie felt pretty good today. Neck was really, really tight.
Yeah.
Got some good motion in there.